guys, we're back with a Dollar Tree haul. This haul was pretty great, so grab a snack, grab a drink, subscribe, share the channel. You don't want to miss my videos, so if you're new, subscribe. Let's just get into this Dollar Tree video. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the other ones. So first, let's just start right off. So we have the stretch monster. We have this monster, that one. Then, we do have like a little bazooka keychain. Then we have this blue, scary looking monster. And then we have this wolf looking guy. So we're on the road to finding all the squishies at Dollar Tree. So we got that. Then I got this hand sanitizer case with a flower. Then we got the bunny fuchsia lip stain, again on accident. See, I repeat buy because I don't realize. Then we got this 2-pack of the Carnique conditioner and shampoo. This is perfect for travel, so we got that. Then, this is new. It's the Invisibobble spiral hair ring, and it's the, like, American edition. Let's take it out of the box so you can see it. There's like a spiral inside it, I guess. Oh, and you get 2. Yeah, the spirals inside. These are super nice. So we got that. Then we got one of the little heart trinket trays. I love these. These are heart bow. These are adorable. So we got that. Then finally I found the, what do you want to call these? Cosmetic sack bag. So it's the double little wristlet. So you get the handle and the 2 little things. They're literally like the same exact thing for Five Below, minus like the charm, but you can do your own charms. So you get the green and white one. Got that one. And then we have the pink one. So you get like little dark pink and light pink. And for $1.50, it's a steal, truly. I wish I had my Dollar Tree one near me so I could show you like the difference. I mean the Five Below one. And then you get the double black. And then I got the Walmart patches that I'm going to put on these. So yeah, I'm super stoked about these. So if you guys see them, please get them because for $1.50, it's a steal. Okay, then we have so much more. First thing is, oh yeah, we got the little chibi chums. So last haul, they're in front of me. I had pink and purple. So now, what is this one? Oh, I can see it through the packaging. It's finally something new. So we got Mr. Green. Oh, look how cute. So we got that, and now to pick up the garbage and get the other ones. And then we got this Versed Just Breathe Clarifying Serum. I feel like I already have this, but I don't know. So we got that. Then we got the Flower Concealer in Almond, because I saw people on TikTok using this as a bronzer contour. So we got that for that. Then we got the Makeup Melting Balm. I love this stuff, so got that. We got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more of those. We'll get to that. We got the Day and Night Moisturizing Mask. Then we got the Powerhouse Serum. And the Toner Spray. If you guys want to see like a whole video or reel on this collection, please let me know, because I will definitely do it. And now, let's open the other ones. Oh, okay. Yeah, this one already have you. I don't know what to see, but that one. Then we got. Oh yeah, I don't have you. We got the yellow, whatever animal you want to call that. No idea. Next, we got Mr. Green again. Okay, this one's new. Blue. Yippee. These are so adorable. And these are $1.75. And then one. I want to say, I swear, I think this one is the mystery. Yeah, this one's definitely the mystery. So, not mad at these. Next. Then we got the Fest Best LA Colors Dusk Till Dawn highlighter. And then we got the Champagne Shower one too. I did my makeup today, can you guys even tell? Probably not. Then we got these little, whatchamacallit, shoe charms. You can use them for anything, like the sanitizer cases and stuff. Then I got the lip balm in Peach Strawberry. I love this. And then the little pink Rapunzel little keychain lip balm. So got that. Then we got the aluminum free deodorant for $1.25. Obviously not $3. Let me make sure. Yeah, $1.25. And then we got this shoe charm, hand sanitizer case again, which, see, I gotta like focus on what I repeated. Then these are new. Skip the Spot Blemish Patch, Patch Imperfections. You get 24 patches, and these are little donuts. Like, are we kidding? So we got that. And then we got these same things, Blemish Patch, Patch whatever the word is, but little piece of cakes. Like, are we kidding? How adorbs. Then they had donuts. I didn't realize I got those. Then we got some new notebooks. Sketch pad. It says Toads Bananas. How adorable. I don't care. It's so cute. And then we have Sweet Vibes Only with some cherries. And then we got the Peptide Lip Mask with Serenades in clear. And then for a penny, I forgot to put this in my other haul, we got this little calendar. Calendars are a penny. Some stores are throwing them away, some stores are selling them, so if you can, grab one. Then we got, that's from Walmart, never mind. Then we got this little fan brush because I want to use it for my highlight. I don't have a brush small enough, so we got that. Then I got this sketchbook, how cute. Then I did get this because I just think it's so cute. I'm taking it to the beach. So we got that. Then I got some barbecue sauce. Then we got the Teams little deodorant spray. I think this is so cool, honestly. So we got that. And then we got this one too. This is the Champion NBA 72 hour spray. And then barbecue sauce. What a haul. Then we got the Spa Luxury Tropical Coconut Scent Shaving Cream. This is new. Like, are we kidding? So we got that. Then we got the Lean Mercier Hydrating Lip Stain in Mocha Rose. We have the Hydrating Lip Stain in Mocha Rose. Then I got these highlighting drops, or brightening drops. Bold Radiance, what do you do? Brightening drops instantly hydrate and illuminate, adding all over soft focus glow to the skin. Wear alone or custom mixed with lotion. So we got that. Then I got some new face masks. Winnie the Pooh Sweet Honey face mask. Then we got Tigger Vanilla Coconut and Piglet Wild Berry. Like, how adorable, like what? So we got that. And then I literally just have a bag next to me. Is it? Yeah, this is it, okay. Then we got tons of new stuff. So we got more new face masks. We have Stitch, that's coconut and vanilla. Like, hello. And then we have Watermelon Berry. I forget her name. I'm sorry. Watermelon Berry. And then we have more. And then we have Stitch again, Lavender Sorbet. Sounds so good. And then Watermelon Berry. Okay, I guess I got two on accident. Then we have the Cake It Easy Hydrating Facial Mask in Cherry. the other video, I did the other ones to this collection, so got that. What else? Then I got this huge claw clip because my hair is getting longer and thicker and no clips are staying in my head, so got that. Then finally, I did not know they had different shades of the bronzer drops. So this is rose gold. So we have rose gold, we have bronze gold, and then we have dark gold. So there's 3 new shades of the bronzer drops. So be on the lookout for that. But that is it for that bag. Okay, I went to one different location, got some stuff. So I got this sparkling ice caffeine 0 sugar drink. I'm excited for that. Then we got this It's Fix X moleskin padding roll, random. Then we got the Active Feet Cream Extreme Relief, literally perfect for summer. Then we got this little squishy, it's like a little cat. Needed some more socks. Then we got this lip stain in Willow, love that. Then we got this waterproof foam tape, looks like that. New wallets, little silicone bag, gray, blue, pink. Then these little beebs, these things, you can get 12. Never saw these before, I got 4, so let me open them. Okay, so we got this little guy, then little penguin. These are so cute. I guess this is a little panda, and then this little blue sheep bunny, that's what I'm calling it. So, and you can get 12, so now I need to collect the rest. So I'm on the mission. But yeah, so we're going more shopping tomorrow. Cannot wait, because the locations that I'm at now are like some of my favorite locations. So can't wait to shop more, and hopefully I find a lot of goodies. But yeah, I went out for my birthday. My hair is a poof mess because it's so hot. And I did my makeup, but this lighting's horrible. But yeah, stay tuned. We have a lot more items to haul. So yeah, that completes this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to subscribe, share the channel, watch this video, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.